Guys, something happened with my phone. It just ended up stopping. So if you guys know what this is and how to glue it, please let me know, because I just ended up using my tacky glue on the top and it looks tacky just like the glue. And I ended up using double adhesive to add the picture. So it doesn't really look that great. And again, these are the flowers, the homemade flowers I made with paper and glimmer mist. They came out really nice. I really like the flowers. Okay, so that's... Oh, and if you guys notice this in all my videos, this is this really good shampoo. I don't like what it does to your hair. I just love the odor. And right now that I'm pregnant, for some reason, this is the only thing that calms me down. I just pop it open and I sniff it. But somebody asked me, why is there always shampoo on your desk? And it's not filled up. There's nothing in here. I just had to smell it. It smells really good. It's that Suave Rosemary Mint. So no, it's not a strange addiction. So as you guys know, I am going to be delivering my baby finally on Friday. So I'm going to have a C-section and I'm going to be there for a couple days. So I started packing my maternity bag, which so far consists of the new Smashbook. It's a baby style Smashbook. Yay! I didn't know they had one of these. I saw it today and I had a 50% off coupon, 40 plus 10%, so I said this is the best thing that can happen so far. This is the only thing I'm going to put in my maternity bag. And it's so neat because it's perfect for a baby girl. Well, babies in general, but there's a lot of pink. There's Feed Me, Make It Snappy. Really pretty. I love the Smashbook. And then there's Just Hanging in My Crib. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the hospital. I don't know what I'm going to be smashing in the hospital. I guess I'm going to be smashing her ankle bracelet, cafeteria menu, whatever it is. But I'm going to be bored, so I'm going to try to smash everything I can. So that's that. What I used, the acrylic paint that I used for my canvas was this Apple Barrel. It's cameo pink, so it comes out peachy. I use a Folk Art Metallic Amethyst color and the Folk Art Extreme Glitter. This is what I put on top of the whole thing to make it shimmer. What I use this is my favorite color so far. Apple Barrel Pale Green. Now, in one of the videos I had seen this lady who had, I had seen a bunch of videos on acrylic paint. They had really good deals on Michaels when they're on sale, but I got these from Walmart. The Apple Barrel were 79, 89 cents, and then the Folk Art were $1.25, I think it was. It's a really good deal on these acrylic paints. They're so much fun to work with on the canvas. And I actually made my glimmer mist out of acrylic paint. And I use a secret ingredient to make it dry faster. So if you guys want to know, leave me a comment. And if you want to know how to make these paper flowers, also leave me a comment. You guys are pretty good at that. I got a bunch of comments on how to work with the canvas on private message and emails and stuff. So thank you all for the great ideas. And I hope you have a great week. Bye, guys.